Hi everyone, today I'm doing an unboxing video for a luxury item I had stumbled across on Poshmark. I ended up buying this pre-loved item through PayPal because the seller was local to me and we didn't want to incur the additional fees. However, I don't recommend purchasing luxury items without using a reputable site that provides authentication services because you don't want to run the risk of getting scammed. Unless you know the brand really well and do all the research to protect yourself, I highly recommend buying pre-loved luxury items through a trusted source. Any guesses here? So the reason why I got this is because this collection is what got me started into Chanel. I wasn't previously a Chanel owner, but I just love this collection so much, and because this is an older collection, the only way you can really get the products is through a resale market. So it looks like it came with the ribbon, and this is definitely an older box. Wow, it smells exactly like the real thing. I know it sounds weird, but it's I didn't know what to expect, you know. So looks like this is really carefully wrapped. And Tracy, if you're watching this, thank you so much for being so sweet and so easy to work with. Oh my goodness. Ah! It is here. It is here. Here she is. Wow. It is more beautiful in person than in the pictures. Wow. This is amazing. And it came with the full booklet. So this is the 17 Cruise collection. She gave me the original tag. I think this is the original care instruction booklet that it came with. But this is the bag. I'm so excited. Wow. And this is the authenticity card. I tucked away the straps. It smells real, but actually I had a moment of doubt here, but here she is. She is gorgeous. So because I had some doubts, I took my other mini here. This was from my really good friend Jessica, who I know in real life, versus this one is from a seller that is local to my area, but I had not met her previously. And I mean, comparing them both, they look the same. I guess the problem with this is I never had aged calf skin. So this is the 17 Cruise Mini in light pink. It's the Chevron one with aged calf skin and aged gold hardware, whereas this one is the 17 Mini with the champagne gold or light gold hardware. So because I haven't had aged gold before, I was a little bit concerned, but I opened the booklet and it did come with this Chanel pamphlet, which is authentic. Yeah, so this is the correct year, Chanel 2016, because the 17 Cruise collection came out November 2016. But yeah, anyway, I'm really happy. Thank you for watching this, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. And I think if anyone is ever interested, I can do a review for these bags shortly. I know there's millions of them out there, but in case anyone wanted the wear and tear of these. We are all set here. This is my new bag. I'm so happy. Thank you again for watching. This is a true gem, and I am so lucky I was able to score this. Bye.